We are in the MG MS6 car, and I will show you how to program the steering wheel buttons in this vehicle. So, as you can see, our steering wheel consists of two programmable buttons. These are the buttons marked with a star symbol, a filled-in star on the left side and an empty star in the middle on the right side. As you can see, it can be easily programmed. When we want to assign a function to this button, we need to hold down this star for a longer period. Once we hold it down, a screen like this will open on the main display. I will go ahead and do that one more time. And right here, we have the ability to program the SRC function, which is the specific function used to quickly open up your car settings, climate control menus, regenerative braking options, drive mode selection, or for example, opening up the 360-degree camera view. Let's go ahead and leave it set to the 360 camera for now. Now, when I click this star again, the camera opens. If you want to customize the second button on the right side, the empty star, we can hold it down for a longer time. And again, the same menu will open for us. As you can see, we can use the same settings here. We don't have anything else to choose from here. Let's leave it set to the drive mode settings. Now I click once and I can change it to normal, sport, comfort, snow, or customized. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention and talk to you later.